What's up, guys, and welcome back to another motherfucking episode of Why Would You Do That? I'm here again, sort of yelling, but not really yelling. Host, not Slim One. And we're on location this... What up? Shut the fuck up. I'm trying to talk. And we're on location this week in Lunchbox's living room. What's up, bud? Also, we got Gizmo on the show this week. What's up, Gizmo? Give me a high five. What's up?
Yeah, okay.
Jafar on the show. We also got Roach Bomb on the show this week. What's up, bud? Make the dog give me a fucking high five.
That's about as good as it gets.
This week on the show, we're taking on the Faygo chugging, belching, something. What is it? What should we call it?
Faygo Belching Elimination Challenge.
The Faygo Belching Elimination Challenge. And if you come in and take a look at what we got this week, we went to the grocery store and got ripped the fuck off.
Yeah,
we
big
bought
time.
all these. You can go to Windsor and buy 8 1-liter Faygos for $8, but we got 12 710 milliliter Faygos for $12 because we had to pay $1 each at the convenience store. So I don't feel like yelling this week because the dog fucking won't not yell, and he doesn't say rules. He just says the same word over and over again.
What?
I've heard. Yeah, I learn a new word. Anyway, so then without further ado, let's get it on with the rules. And the rules this week are pretty simple. It is an elimination style event where the last person standing wins, and the way that you can win is we're gonna drink some Faygos. We're gonna have round by round elimination. We all get to drink a root beer, and then we're going to belch into the microphone, right? And we got a decibel monitor here. Oh, shit, I fucked it up. And we're going to monitor the decibels of the belching, and then whoever has the loudest. Because length is going to be funny, but we want to roar, right? We want to roar?
That's right, we want loud.
All right, so like fucking Katy Perry, you're feeling the eye of the tiger, okay? And you're gonna hear me roar.
Now, are we gonna do it individually, like you?
Yeah. We each take a shot at it.
So we'll go round by, and then the quietest burp at the end of each round loses and is eliminated.
So remember your number.
And yeah, we got an audience. Okay. So, I don't remember which one we did last week. Oh, we did the Reaper.
The sucker.
We did the Reaper sucker, and
I won.
Yeah. So, you can go first if you like. I'll hold this
why
for
not?
you.
I'll go first.
Alright, come on in.
Here.
And
the
you
steak.
guys stay filming us for the whole round. So, we'll start with ice, and we'll go this way. So, we'll end with Jafar.
Alright.
I knew that was going to happen.
Hey! Dog!
Get over here.
Make sure to get the number. I saw 86.1.
86.1, not bad. Get over here.
Do you love this one? I can't. It's so stupid.
It's going to be awesome.
Okay, we got a lot of challenge though. We got like 4 rounds. I guess it wasn't too much. Oh shit, here we go.
I'm not even gonna burp.
What? I saw 85.8. Alright, who wants to hold it for me?
Oh, what's the dog, dude?
He's trying to
swim the
swim.
microphone.
He wants to bark
Okay,
and
no, I'm
everything?
not going to hold it because I got to keep it from the cat.
What is the chick ass?
Fucking dog, eh? Okay, here we go.
So weak.
85.9.
85.9?
Yeah.
Nice. Here, you do the drink. Here, you hold this thing.
Yeah. What'd you get?
Make sure that the decimal thing's for the
Oh,
camera.
you beat me.
Hold the microphone up to his mouth.
That's the loudest one on there.
83.4.
Oh.
Give it to him.
Hold the microphone.
What was my number? Fuck. I know I'm not the
85.9.
lowest number. You're the lowest number, I think.
I think so, yeah.
So you got to be 83.4, Jafar, to stay in right now. Make sure you hold that number up close to the camera lens.
Yeah.
That
84.9. No.
That was when he started laughing. That was a pretty weak ass burp. I think it was like a 78 or something I saw.
That's what I saw, yeah.
I think you're out, Jafar. That sucks.
Your turn,
Well,
Ice.
we gotta keep going. Yeah, you're up, Ice Man. Next round. We can get some wide shots. You can stand over on this side and get some shots that come from over here. But don't worry about the direction. This shows a clusterfuck with the dog going crazy.
Bring it closer.
84.1.
84-1.
There's no way this thing's gotta be wrong. That was louder than my first one.
Maybe his finger was blocking the microphone. It could have been.
Oh.
It could have been.
Well, I'm pretty sure I've got it set for that microphone.
The top mic, right?
This microphone.
The top mic?
That's the bottom
mic?
mic.
You ready? Oh shit.
I don't have to burp now.
Take
you
another
fucking
drink.
assholes.
Sorry.
Oh.
87-2. Yeah, it does. Oh my god.
Did you see it?
84-1.
Fuck.
What Ice Man have?
84-1, I think.
Here. So what happens
double
if we tied?
elimination.
What was
You're
yours?
Well,
Well,
Mine's
he's
85.
slower than 84-1. He's out. Hold the microphone up to his mouth. 82-8. I think he even had some help from the baby. I think I did. Get out, Roach Spawn. Let's tighten up a little bit now.
Move, dog. Oh.
I don't know how this thing works here. Is it your turn to go?
It is his turn.
I'm slightly
Let me have
confused.
Well, I'm gonna take a drink, then I'll grab the phone.
I got you, bro. $86.
86.
Get it all out.
Oh, you're up next? Okay. Oh my god. 85-2.
Oh!
You were 86?
Yeah.
Oh, I could fucking stay in. Here, hold this.
I called this, bud. It's gonna be against me and Lunchbox again. All right, here we go again.
Here, I'll stay in and I'll help because I got to do the outro and shit too. So
Stop.
excuse me. Okay. All right, this is the last one. So come in for the tight shot and watch the numbers.
Doing the other one too?
Oh no. I saw an 85, but I didn't catch the decimal point.
No?
I didn't catch the decimal point.
Let me see that for 1 second.
We'll tell you. The
Well,
last one?
highest on here. Oh no, I guess we
Yeah,
can't really
the
use
highest
that.
is
Yeah,
mine,
yeah,
yeah.
one, two,
I
yeah.
call it 85
All right, 85.
All right, this is the last one. If you beat 85, you fucking take it, bud. Nobody wants to see that.
Yeah, they do. They don't want to see it.
86-6.
Yeah.
Yeah, even if it was a couple of points, I still took it for sure. That's it. High five each other. Congratulations, Lunchbox. You fucking won the fucking, what do we call it?
That was the Faygo.
Oh, yeah.
Elimination chat. The Faygo Belching Elimination chat. Oh my god, there's so many high peaks on that.
Oh my god. That was 83-9. Thanks for watching this. You guys want to come in if you want? That's fine. You can close that. Thanks for watching this episode of Why Would You Do That? Stay tuned next week on Friday after 10 p.m. for an all-new special Hallowicked edition of the fucking show. This is basically coming out during Halloween time, though, right?
Yeah, this
So
is,
whatever. Happy Halloween.
Happy Hallowicked.
Yeah, happy 2 years of being on fucking YouTube. This is our 2-year week
Yep.
long celebration. Good job. Good job, everybody. Dog, shut the fuck up. And that's it. So, like I said, stay tuned for an all-new episode next week after 10 p.m. I like what we do. And until that time, peace.